friends, welcome to our first session, Introduction to C Programming tutorial, and myself Renuka. And let's see what is a C programming. A C programming is a popular computer programming language which is widely used for system and application software. And guys, why we using C programming very widely? Let's see what is the reason behind it. C programming is widely used because of its efficiency and control. And guys, I want to tell you something. What's that? This tutorial is intended for the beginners who does not have any prior knowledge or have very little knowledge of computer programming. I am introducing this tutorial for those candidates who are really need it, and who are not able to pay so much of amounts on institutes for learning the courses, and unable to go for institutes because of work schedules or anything. So they'll definitely get beneficial on this if you if you really if you really follow this channel. And let's see what are the topics involved in this tutorial and what we are going to discuss this in this entire tutorial. Yeah. Before discussing about the topics what we are discussing, let's see a simple program. This is only for the introduction, guys. I'll definitely later on we are using now I am using only slides. Later on we are using IDE. Then you will get beneficial how to write a code and how to execute a code. I'll definitely record all those things, and I will definitely let you know those things also. Let's see our first program, hash include stdio.h. First, what is this stdio.h? This stdio.h is a library files, guys. In C we have so many library files for using some system functions. Here, hash include. Why you use hash include? Hash include is used to include the library files to our programming. Okay. Here stdio.h means standard input output header file. .h means it is an header file. Okay. In this program I am using this printf function for displaying the data on the screen. This printf is this printf this the code behind on this printf function is held in is exist in stdio.h library file. Okay. So let's see what is this void main. And another very important thing is in C programming the program starts from the main method only. Okay. So it is very important to use the main method. Without using main method you will definitely get the compiler error, and the program doesn't get compiled and doesn't get executed. The start of the program is main. Okay. This is the entry point of the programming. Okay. So printf, what is this printf? Printf is a predefined function, and this function is used function or method, both are same. Printf method, this method is used to display data on the screen. Okay. Here I am displaying the data as welcome to tutorials of .net.blogspot.in. Means whatever data we are including this parentheses in between the quotations, this will be displayed on the screen. Okay. Don't worry, guys. I'll definitely show you the output in our later on sessions. We are using IDE, means a turbo C anything. There you will get clear idea about this. Just forget about it and move on. Let's see what are the topics we are going to discuss in this entire tutorial. There are C keywords and identifiers, C variables and constants, C programming data types, C input output, C programming operators, means the operators, if else, for loops, do while loops, break and continue, switch case statements, go to, decision and loop examples. And that note, guys, I'll definitely give a number of examples after ending of each concept. Okay. So you'll get more practice on that, and you'll get a grip on the programming knowledge. If you really, guys, this is my own experience. If you get the grip on this C coding, you'll definitely handle all the high level languages, means Java, .net, all those. If you want to be a .NET developer or Java developer or PHP developer, first of all you have a basic knowledge on this C programming, and you should be get the grip on this coding. Then only you will allow to learn those programming means those technologies very easily. Without basics of C and C++, you it is not possible to learn those technologies because they are higher level languages. And for those languages, the base or the pillars are C and C++. Okay, for that purpose, because of that one, I'll give so many examples. You have to prepare yourself, you have to practice those examples, then only you will get the grip on the subject. And guys, I want to say you one thing, and just take it as a suggestion or anything. If you didn't practice anything, and if you won't practice anything, you are just listening the classes, it is just a waste of time. Whenever you trying to execute a program, trying to write a code of just a 4 lines or 2 lines or 10 lines, then only you will get a grip on this coding. Okay, and let's see. And functions, function types, recursion, storage classes, arrays, multidimensional arrays and functions, programming strings, string functions, um, pointers and arrays, pointers and functions, structures, unions. These are all the concepts we are discussing in our